Without Vince Bertrand, much of what we've accomplished in the city of Monroe would not have happened. Vince has been right in the middle, doing everything he can to help our initiatives succeed. Vince helped coordinate the Monroe Wetland Restoration Project, the Lord's Lake Restoration Planting, Earth Day events, and he has helped allow our youth education team greater access to teach stormwater lessons in the Monroe School District. For example, this past fall, Vince invited our education team to tag along on his water quality sampling route so that we could see him in action and learn about the process that real scientists go through to protect our waterways. This kind of partnership helps us to better communicate with students about real-world applications of science, the ways humans interact with the environment, and also to make connections to career skills that they could someday use. Vince helped us kick off the Lawns to Lettuce program in Monroe, coordinating with Monroe High School's Future Farmers of America students, and also Jardinería con un propósito, or Gardening with a Purpose, a class targeted to reach the prevalent Hispanic population in Monroe. We are super grateful for Vince's support in bettering our ground.